When you first lay eyes on the 12x12 Toyota 2026 Thunderbone, it doesn't feel like a vehicle at all. It feels like a moving fortress, something engineered for a future where roads are optional and limits are merely suggestions. This is not just a motorhome, and it's certainly not a typical overland build. The Thunderbone exists in a category of its own, where military-grade engineering meets luxury travel and where ambition is measured in axles rather than inches. 12 wheels. 12 driven contact points. One machine designed to go anywhere and stay there in comfort. The design alone tells you everything you need to know about its personality. The Thunderbone doesn't try to look friendly or approachable. Its massive stance, towering ride height, and squared-off body panels project pure authority. Every line feels deliberate, built for function first, with form following closely behind. The reinforced chassis stretches long and wide, giving this 12x12 an almost unreal presence on the road. Heavy-duty steel and composite armor panels wrap the body, while exposed suspension components hint at the serious mechanical muscle hiding underneath. This is a motorhome that looks ready to roll straight through a storm, a desert, or a collapsed highway without hesitation. Under the skin. The Thunderbone's engineering is where things truly get wild. At its heart sits a heavily upgraded Toyota power plant designed for extreme torque rather than outright speed. The engine delivers its power in a deep, relentless surge, perfectly matched to the enormous weight and rolling resistance of 12 driven wheels. This isn't an engine that screams for attention. Instead, it rumbles with confidence, pushing the Thunderbone forward with the kind of calm authority you'd expect from industrial machinery. The throttle response is surprisingly controlled, allowing precise movement even in tight or technical terrain, something you wouldn't expect from a motorhome of this scale. Power is sent through a reinforced, multi-range transmission and distributed across all 6 axles through a sophisticated drivetrain system. Each axle can adapt to terrain conditions independently, constantly adjusting torque delivery to maintain traction. Whether it's crawling over rocks, plowing through deep sand, or maintaining stability on slick mountain trails, the Thunderbone feels planted and unshakable. The suspension system works overtime, absorbing massive impacts while keeping the cabin remarkably level. Watching this thing articulate over obstacles feels less like driving and more like commanding a mechanical creature built to conquer the earth. Despite its size, the real-world driving experience is far more composed than you'd expect. On paved roads, the Thunderbone settles into a steady, confident cruise. Steering inputs are deliberate but surprisingly precise, and once you acclimate to the vehicle's width and length, it becomes oddly intuitive to pilot. Highway speeds feel effortless, with the engine maintaining low stress and minimal vibration. Wind noise is well controlled, and the vehicle tracks straight even in crosswinds that would unsettle smaller RVs. It's not fast, and it doesn't need to be. This motorhome is about dominance, not haste. Off-road is where the Thunderbone truly earns its name. The 12x12 configuration allows it to glide over terrain that would stop most vehicles in their tracks. Mud becomes manageable. Snow turns into a playground. Loose gravel and uneven rock fields feel almost trivial. The sheer number of contact points spreads the vehicle's weight so effectively that it feels lighter than it looks. There's a sense of invincibility when you're behind the wheel, a feeling that no matter what lies ahead, the Thunderbone has already been engineered to handle it. Step inside, and the contrast is striking. The exterior screams brute force, but the interior welcomes you with calm, refined luxury. The cabin feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. Premium materials dominate every surface, from soft touch panels to real wood accents and durable yet elegant flooring. The layout is open and intelligently designed, making the massive footprint feel purposeful rather than excessive. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, offering breathtaking views no matter where you park. The living area is built for long-term comfort. Plush seating, adjustable lighting, and climate control systems ensure the interior remains comfortable in extreme heat or freezing cold. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, ample storage, and surfaces built to withstand off-grid living. Whether you're cooking in the middle of the desert or parked on a snowy mountain pass, everything you need is within arm's reach. The sleeping quarters are quiet, insulated, and surprisingly cozy. providing the kind of rest you'd expect from a luxury hotel rather than a vehicle capable of crossing continents. Asterisk. Technology plays a huge role in making the Thunderbone feel advanced rather than overwhelming. A centralized control system allows the driver and passengers to monitor everything from suspension settings to power usage and water reserves. Cameras surround the vehicle, providing a clear view of its enormous footprint, making maneuvering safer and less stressful. Navigation systems are optimized for off-road travel, helping you plan routes where maps usually give up. Solar panels, auxiliary batteries, and onboard generators work together to support extended off-grid adventures without compromise. Asterisk. Living with the Thunderbone feels like owning a mobile command center. Every system is designed to be self-sufficient, reliable, and easy to manage. Water filtration, waste management, and power generation are all built to handle extreme conditions and long durations away from civilization. This is a motorhome meant for explorers who don't want to ask permission from the landscape. It encourages you to push farther, stay longer, and experience places most people will never reach. Asterisk. Ultimately, the 12x12 Toyota 2026 Thunderbone isn't about excess for the sake of spectacle. It's about redefining what a motorhome can be. It combines uncompromising engineering with genuine luxury, blending raw mechanical capability with thoughtful design and comfort. It has a commanding personality, bold and unapologetic, yet surprisingly refined once you step inside. The Thunderbone doesn't follow trends or categories. It creates its own lane, or more accurately, it creates its own path wherever it goes. Asterisk. For those who believe adventure shouldn't come with limitations, and that comfort shouldn't end when the pavement does, the Thunderbone represents the extreme edge of possibility. It's not just the craziest motorhome ever built. It's a statement on wheels, a declaration that the world is still meant to be explored, no matter how wild the journey becomes.